Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market for today. And as per you know that tonight there was FOMC news, and data comes with mixed reaction. So that's a lot of conclusion happening around the market, and we are trying to get best entries from the market. And in this video, I will also find out best direction or best possible momentum for the gold. Okay, so let's get back for our higher time frame to see what is current market position or market situation. As you can see there, from last 4 days, that means this week there was 3 days red candle, and today market is trying to move little bit bullish. That means it is trying to take a little bit correction. Okay, and if I especially want to see the weekly movement is still bearish, as you can see there. Okay, and if I want to go for daily, and again, as you can see there, like yesterday there was bullish movement beginning of the day, and after the FOMC session or after the FOMC news, market just gone down, or market moves down, or market started to move bearish, and today it's already unbullish. Maybe it will move bullish, otherwise bearish. So let's see, or let's make an analysis how will it act. Okay, so let's get back for H4 time frame to see a clear view from the chart. And as you can see there, in H4 there is a trend line, and market is rapidly moving following this trend line. There is a breakout, again pullback, and again trying to go down. Okay, and as per our weekly analysis from last maybe Saturday, you may know that we told that we will wait for breakout, then pullback, then we can take entry near the trend line or near the channel. Okay, and this is moving a lot today. And let's get back into H1 time frame to find out our entry or direction. So I want to remove this one first, and let's find out our support zone, or find out our channels to get proper entry. Okay, so as you can see there, there was a trend line, and that also happening that particular area. So let me make it a little bit smaller over here, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and as you can see there, there is a bullish breakout, again pullback, again trying to go up, and this is the current market situation. And there is a lot of geopolitical issues and geopolitical things happening around the world. That's why market is very scary nowadays right now. So you have to compromise those things while you want to trade, or while you are going for trade. Okay, so you have to keep your eyes on forexfactory.com, Twitter, or Truth Social. What is Donald Trump's saying about China and trade deal with other countries? So market is 80% moving fundamentally and 20% technically. Okay, before you take 20% any entry, you must have to take a look into 80% fundamental. So for that, you may visit, or you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, a link in the video description box. There we are sharing each and every updates from Donald Trump and all other world leaders. Okay, so as per our analysis, market just give us a pullback here, breakout, pullback, again it may go up. Okay, and if you want to take scalping entry like 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, let's get back our favorite 5-minute time frame to take scalping entry. Also, let me remove all of previous drawing. Okay, so we can get a clear visibility. So also for 5-minute time frame, as you can see there is a breakout, maybe it will be like that. And in that case, there was FOMC. Okay, market firstly moved bearish, then bullish, then again bearish, again down. Okay, and from today, market just started to move from this particular area, and it's just trying to move like that. Okay, and you have to be very careful when you are considering to take entry. Okay, and as you can see there is a breakout, then small pullback, then it just trying to create a range over there. Okay, so what can you do right now? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we need to do right now. So for now, as you can see there is a trend line channel, and another trend line channel going to happen this particular area. Okay, as you can see there, market will move either if this breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take buy entry for that particular area. And otherwise it will give us a breakout from bearish side, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take sell entry. Okay, no direct entry, and you may take a sell entry over there, but we need to wait for candle confirmation, like that one engulfing confirmation, like there is 3 black arrow confirmation, there is 3 black arrow confirmation. So we need to wait for that kind of confirmation. Okay, otherwise we can't take entry because market is so much volatile right now. Okay, and if you especially want to see, if I want to make it for 1 minute time frame, as you can see there, some of the 1 minute candle like that to that, you may notice how much pips ranging over there. That means there is 3966 to 3960, that means 60 pips range over there within a 1 minute candle. That means 1 minute candle is enough for your SL. Okay, so you have to be careful for that, and let's wait for our next entry, our next analysis. If there is any news, if there is something like that, I will update as soon as possible. So I hope all things clear now. I'm not sending any signal here, there is no buy or no sell, but we have to wait to apply our proper strategy. Okay, and one more time, for 5 minutes, that means for scalper, if it gives us a bullish breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take buy entry. And if bearish breakout, we need to wait for pullback, then we can take a sell entry with candle confirmation. No entry will be taken without double confirmation. That means one of them is trend line confirmation, another one is candle confirmation. Same scenario happened in this particular area. As you can see, there is a breakout, then pullback, then sell, then again breakout, pullback, then sell, then buy. Okay, so this is the thing how we are trading. Okay, and as you can see there, if you want to see previous lines or previous zones, same thing happening everywhere. So you need to wait for a breakout or for a candle confirmation or to reach into our zone or into our channel. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or fundamental news analysis, you may join a public telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. So that's for now, Mr. Boom signing out.